Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Lankan Cuisine channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fried chicken curry. So this chicken curry recipe I have taken it from my mother. She always used to make this dish on special occasions. So let's go through the ingredients now. So I have taken over here 1 kg of fried chicken. I have marinated this first using some chili powder, turmeric powder, some vinegar and some salt. I marinated it for 30 minutes and I deep fried them. Do not over fry it, just bake it medium fried. So when you cut the chicken, make sure you will add some cuts like this on it so it will absorb the flavors into it. So I have taken here 1 large onion sliced, some green chilies, and then some ginger garlic chopped, and also I'm using half a lemon, some curry leaves and some tomatoes. I had some leftover cherry tomatoes, so I'm using it over here today. You can use the normal tomato for this recipe. So these are the spices that I'm going to use today in this dish. I have taken here 1 teaspoon of roasted curry powder, and then I'm going to use here unroasted curry powder 1.5 teaspoon, then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, nearly 1/2 teaspoon of crushed pepper, then 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, some cinnamon and cardamom. Then we need 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, and I have taken 1 cup of thick coconut milk over here. So the pan is well heated now. I have added the 1 tablespoon of oil here. Let's give it a stir. So I'm going to add the onions first. Then I will add the green chilies, the ginger garlic, and now I will add the curry leaves into it. Let's give it a stir and let's get this fried until golden brown. So as you can see now, the onions are almost fried now. So now I will add the tomatoes into the dish. Let's give it a stir. And we will add all the spices at this moment. We have to mix well the ingredients and the spices at this point. So I have cooked this nearly 1 minute. So I'm going to add the coconut milk now into the dish. Let's mix this well and get the coconut milk into a boil. So since you add the coconut milk, you have to stir this continuously until it gets boiled. So now at this moment you can taste the salt. So this has come to a boil, then I'm going to add the chicken into it. If you like to add some soya sauce to it, you can add the soya sauce at this moment too. It's very important to make sure your chicken is only medium fried. So now I'm going to give it a mix. Just give it a gentle mix. So I'm going to add the tomato sauce now. You can add any type of sauce as per your wish. I prefer tomato sauce. Give it a nice stir. So I will squeeze the half a lemon into it at this moment. Lemon will give a tangy flavor to the chicken. So my fried chicken curry is now ready. I will turn off the flame now. This is how my chicken curry looks like. Hope this is something new to you, so I hope you will try this recipe at home. If you like my video, please share this with your friends and please subscribe to my channel. So let's meet again with another delicious food.